So don't think that just everyone's having a perfect life out there, that your life is bad or it's harder. This is life in general. Choppy waters, you're gonna have to deal with it. And a lot of times the people who are actually performing very well don't show that they're when they're uncomfortable, they don't really show it. So it looks like their life is easier. Everybody on Instagram that shows that they have a perfect life, a lot of them are super depressed. I know these people. They tell me that they're depressed. They tell me they have suicidal thoughts. So don't think that just everyone's having a perfect life out there, that your life is bad or it's harder. Everyone's having their own type of hard. So just bear with it, accept the challenge, take on the mindset of I'm going to act the role that I want and then pursue it. And as you go, you'll learn the skills to become it, and you'll learn how to have better self-control with not spending your money. And then that's where you can get to the level where you're making a lot of money and still only choosing to spend 20-25% of your money, having a bunch to invest. But now you're spending 20-25% of your money and everyone's like, oh wow, you have a really nice life. Well, I'm still conservative. I'm still being faithful. I'm still preparing in case something bad happens, where I gotta come through and fix, or make adjustments. And because I give myself such a buffer, it works. The people who fail when the market goes down, and you're seeing a lot of people right now suffer because crypto tanked and all these different things tanked and the stock market's doing bad, lending market's drying up. They are living at 100%, 125% of their income. They were spending more money than what they made, and they were taking loans to just go out and blow money. I'm gonna make more money later. So those people who are crashing. The people who are spending 80% of what they made are probably now to here. So they're still fine, but they're not comfortable because now they're right here. They're making enough money for what they're spending, and they're like, oh my God, if it gets any worse, I won't be able to make it. And then what happens is they start being more conservative.